Hi, welcome to the UCMS eLibrary tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover all the features and benefits of the platform so you can take maximum benefit of the eLibrary. The eLibrary sits at ucms.refread.com. To access the eLibrary collections and all its features, you must first log in into the platform. For many features like the ability to save content into reading lists or to place item requests, login is mandatory. The logged in activity also helps us understand your reading and your research interests better, and that will help us build more features and expand the eLibrary collection further. You can log in seamlessly into the eLibrary using your official UCMS email address. In case you do not have an official UCMS email address, you can register your account by sending your full name, email address, phone number, enrollment number or staff ID and your department details to the given email addresses. The administrator will review your details and send you the credentials within 2 business days. Now let's look at the platform. Visit ucms.refread.com and the first thing that you need to do is log in. So click on this login button here. Log in using your official UCMS email address using this button or with your registered account. If you do not have your account registered already, just send your details to the email addresses given in the footer and we will get back to you with your login credentials within 2 business days. I'm going to log in using my demo account, and as soon as I log into the platform, I have full access to all its collections and services. You can track all your past readings on the home page here. Keep up with all the latest content which has been acquired in the library or ebooks, e-journals, and video lectures recommended by the library staff. You can catch on the headlines harvested from multiple online news portals here. Whatever content is being read most on the UCMS campus shows up in the trending section on the home page. You can browse the eLibrary by categories or subjects here. Click on any of these subjects to list the resources for that particular subject area or discipline. You can also browse content by publisher. These are all the subscribed databases or content platforms which are licensed or subscribed by the UCMS library. So, if I click on this link for CUP eJournal here, I can see the eJournal subscribed through this publisher. Just click on the Read button to navigate to the publisher platform. The publisher platform will recognize you as an authenticated user of UCMS and you will have full text access to all the articles. You can read the full text in HTML format or download the PDF. Basically, the experience that you had only within the campus is now available to you across the globe. Similarly, you can access all these publishers 24/7 from anywhere, anytime. Let's try accessing OUP eJournals this time. Again, just click on the Read button for access to the eResource on the publisher platform and you can read the full text easily in the HTML or PDF format. In addition to the subscribed databases, we have also curated open access eResources from many green or gold standard repositories. You can access these ebooks, e-journals, e-theses and video lectures for your learning and research needs. You can browse e-content by media as well. Let's click on this link for videos here, and you will find thousands of lectures and procedural videos curated from many educational channels on YouTube. The platform also features news clippings curated by the library staff and news headlines from more than 50 online news portals. You can also read literary works in Hindi, English, Urdu, Punjabi, and many other languages. Now, let's see how you can search for eResources on the platform. We are going to start with a simple keyword search. The platform first shows me all the publications matching my search query. I can drill down the search results using these filters for year, accessibility, media, authors or publishers. If the library team has uploaded any resource matching my search query, it shows up in the Collection tab. If I switch over to this article tab, the platform will broadcast all my query to all subscribed journals and databases and fetch the latest and most relevant research articles. Click on this button to load the entire results set. This metasearch helps all scholars and faculty members save a lot of time and effort. You can filter articles by source and simply click on the Read button to access the full text of the paper on the publisher platform. The platform also supports Boolean operators and phrase search. For example, if we search for molecular biology as keywords, the platform shows more than 1700 publications matching either one of the two keywords. However, if we repeat the same search, with double quotes on either side of our search query, the platform will look for the keywords as a phrase and show more relevant results. You can also limit your search query to a particular media type using basic search bar like this, or use the advanced search form for more complex queries. On every search result, you will see this icon. Click to add this result to your favorites or any folder for future reference. You can create as many folders as you want and tag as many eResources as you need to those folders. You will find all your saved documents and folders here in the reading lists. You can select saved documents and email their links to your peers. However, please note that the recipient must be an authorized user of UCMS to be able to access full text of the eResources via shared links. You can also export the references of all saved documents in more than 1,000 citation styles. Just search for the citation style and click on the Generate Citation button to build references of multiple documents in one go. All the collections, services, and features demonstrated in this video can be accessed not just through the eLibrary web portal, but also through the UCMS eLibrary mobile apps available on both iOS App Store and the Android Play Store. You can download these apps to your phone and access all UCMS collections on the go. We request you explore the eLibrary and help us spread the word on the UCMS campus. Please do share your feedback and suggestions on the email addresses provided in the footer. Happy reading!